You don't need art skills, just basic materials and a few quiet minutes.
Hi, today we are drawing a parrot mandala in Madhubani style. The parrot represents joy and calm expression. Draw with me or simply watch and relax. I'm going to start with adding a twig and then adding a few leaves here and there along with a few flowers. Add a circle, then add petals around it. Then add another few leaves. As these lines grow slowly, allow your breath to slow too. There's no pressure to make it perfect. I'm drawing a branch now. Just above the branch, add a simple circle for the parrot's head. Then extend the body to touch the branch. Add a wing, once again like an almond shape. Then we are going to add tails as feathers. Each feather is similar yet slightly different. Just like thoughts, they come and they go. Now adding a beak and then the eyes. Then adding a small neck detailing here. I've also added the crown, if you can see. I'm just touching up the eye, then adding a few leaves around the branch. Starting with designing the space in the wing, you can see the pattern which I'm using. Simple lines. In Madhubani, parrot symbolizes gentle communication, not with force. That is, speaking kindly to others and also to yourself. You can see I've decorated the neck. Now adding a few lines for the tail, just for the detailings. Now we'll add the sun, starting with a circle. Here the sun represents energy and warmth, a gentle reminder that light always exists, even on the quiet days. Notice how simple shapes can feel complete. Designing the sun with the Madhubani patterns. Then adding another twig. If you have space, you can add twigs or you can add flowers, however you want to decorate it. Then we'll color the leaves green. Green carries balance and freshness. Let it feel like grounding. Color it with dark green, light green, color it completely or fill it up with Madhubani patterns or just add few lines, change the colors or make them alternatively dark green and light green. Put whatever detailings you want to put in your artwork. There are no rules. Now we'll color the parrot with the parrot green color or any color which you have. As the color fills in, the artwork comes alive slowly. There is no hurry to reach the end. Just one line at a time, coloring it with green. Of course, you can use any other color too. I'm using a blue color for the detailing of the tail and coloring the branch with brown. Now the sun. Warm colors bring warmth to heart. Let them soften your mood. Use red, orange, yellow. Make combinations using warm color. Then adding the beak with the same red color. And also the crown.
making few combinations with orange. If you have yellow, you can also use that. Then flowers. Add color to the flowers one by one with pink and red. Now just filling up the background with a few flowers. There is space everywhere for beauty, if we choose to notice it, of course. As the background fills, the artworks feel complete, just like this moment. You can color the background with any warm color. I have chosen orange color. We'll take a few moments for Mandala Trataka, that is Mandala meditation. Now just look at the finished artwork and let your eyes rest. Breathe naturally, breathe in, breathe out, and keep looking at your artwork. Notice the symmetry, the colors, the calm. You don't need to think, just observe. Keep breathing, breathe in, breathe out. If this felt calming, you can like, share, and subscribe for more such art meditations, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.